Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am here with the 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS, finished in the stunning Summit White. Up front, we have our black Chevrolet Bowties with the chrome accented black grille. I love the way this looks. We're gonna see a lot of that contrast throughout this vehicle. And also up front, we have our IntelliBeam front headlights. This provides you with smart high beam on-off technology when you're on the road. Now coming around to the side, we do have our 17-inch silver painted aluminum wheels. They look very sharp. Black mirror caps, white door handles, and coming down the side we see more of that black contrast. At the rear of the vehicle we have another one of those black Chevrolet Bowties. Again, just bringing out the contrast in this vehicle. We have LED rear tail lamps and an integrated rear view camera. In the liftgate, this provides you not only with peace of mind while parking, but safety for others who might be behind you. And in terms of safety, this vehicle does have lane keep assist, lane departure warning, front collision alert, as well as a following distance indicator. These are great features to keep you and your passengers safe. Getting into the vehicle now, we have our premium jet black fabric interior. I love the way these seats look. I like the pattern on them. They are great. Also, there is glossy black accents throughout the cabin, as well as chrome, again outlining that contrast that I spoke of earlier. We have our forward collision alert, as well as voice and audio controls integrated into the steering wheel for the driver. This vehicle is equipped with the 7-inch Chevrolet Infotainment system, providing you with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. And below we have our climate controls, as well as USB connectivity and some additional storage in the center. The shift knob is a gorgeous black. And again, we see that glossy black trim with a little bit of sparkle in it. It really looks nice throughout the vehicle. Now in the rear of the vehicle, we find a continuation of that jet black interior. We have a rear folding bench seat, and I'm going to show you just how that works, but there is a lot of leg room and head space in this vehicle. So to get the bench to fold, all you do is pull down, and it will show you the configurable cargo space for your needs. With the rear liftgate open, we can see just how much cargo space is in this vehicle. You can take just about anyone, anywhere. And we also have illumination, cargo tie downs, and tether points for child seats. I love the way the new Trailblazers look. This one is amazing in Summit White, and if you'd like to see it for yourself, book a test drive, want to know more, or just have any other questions, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.